In assignment 1.1, we want you to make sure that you can work with PyScripter, which will be the IDE that we will be using throughout the class. Note when you see the camera icon, that means you're going to give a screenshot to your instructor. So we're going to work in immediate mode in PyScripter. We're not going to work in the programming mode in this assignment. What we want you to do is show what type of comments you would put at the beginning of a script. Now, realizing every time you hit enter on your keyboard, you're going to execute that line, but since these are comments, that's not going to make any real difference to you. The only functional piece of script that you're going to actually create is printing your first and last names. Now, you can choose to do that with a variable, or you can just simply do that with a print command. So this is a very straightforward assignment. You're not doing anything geoprocessing in this assignment. All you're doing is showing that you have installed the PyScripter appropriately and that you can make it work.